So if I start with the control of breathing trait, things which is not pharmacological, but it is a drug intervention, if you like. Oxygen therapy can reduce the unstable control of breathing in people that have that issue. Another one is a drug, acetazolamide, which is a common generic agent that people take when they go to altitude to reduce mountain sickness. That can also halve sleep apnea in the right people. And then there are other drugs that can stabilize sleep or promote sleep, if you like. So common hypnotic sleeping pills, things like zolpidem, zopiclone, trazodone, temazepam. These agents can actually promote sleep. And we used to think that that was really bad, people with sleep apnea, that would actually make them worse. But a lot of work that we and others have done in the last 10 years or so have shown that certain sleeping pills can actually promote breathing stability and in fact reduce sleep apnea in certain people that have that problem of waking up too easily that's contributing to their sleep apnea. Others, it can actually make them worse. So it really does have to be this targeted approach of giving it to the right patients. And in addition, the other one, the main trait that we've been trying to target for a long time is the muscles. And we used to think that serotonin was a really important driver of pharyngeal muscle control. And it turned out a lot of that knowledge was based on really reduced preparations in animal models where there were a lot of anesthetic agents on board. And when we did those human studies, it turned out the endogenous serotonin was really playing a really minor role. So we now know from more detailed animal studies in freely behaving animals out of Richard Horner's lab and others in Toronto that these cholinergic and muscarinic processes are really important in mediating pharyngeal muscle control. So there's now a body of work that's going on to try and use agents that target those particular targets and showing some exciting results in the proof of concept work in terms of reducing sleep apnea severity.